Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have, so it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps and come to apps list here, and there you're looking for here for Play Store. Just add here Play Store here. It's going to show for you like this here. So yeah, then you click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, capture storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.